Yeah, Hollywood. DJ Smith drama. I go to your family, tell it this Holly is real. Hollywood. I go to your family and tell it that Hollywood's real. Hollywood. I go to your family and tell it that Hollywood is real. I'm your money, I don't play no fucking games. Put you in a motherfucking gravesite. Your family gon' remember that I'm a baddest nigga. DJ Drama don't play no fucking game. So get on my level, all you want to. Talking all that shit, I'll fill you up. Like juice, and bullets will tear you up like piranha. And nigga, you don't want that beef. I swim with some nice women, yeah, they white, they fine as fuck. And I might have sex with your sister and your daughter. And nigga, if you act like you tough and you about that action, I will put your ass in the cemetery. Ooh, Hollywood. The 7 counties told me I was fucked up in the head. I was dropping bodies like they was bowling pins. Shit, I got all this fucking money in my motherfucking pocket. I wish a nigga would wanna get in my face. I put his motherfucking hands on my shoulders. I'ma pull out the motherfucking pistol. And I'ma rock his motherfucking ass like a fucking crater. Hollywood. That nigga smoking like some sawdust on the stove. That bullet told us inside up. That shit is flowing like Kool-Aid water fountain. Told that nigga he shouldn't be fucking with me. Hollywood. Woo. Hollywood.